Can I watch Sky Sports on FireStick?
Hello, everyone. Welcome to our video tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about a very popular query amongst sports enthusiasts who use Amazon's FireStick. Can I watch Sky Sports on FireStick? And the good news is, yes, you absolutely can. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to get Sky Sports on your FireStick, so you can enjoy your favorite sporting events anytime, anywhere.
What do you need to watch Sky Sports on FireStick?
First off, let's discuss what you'll need. 1. Amazon FireStick. Obviously, you'll need a FireStick device. Make sure it's connected to your TV and to a stable internet connection. 2. Sky Sports subscription. You'll also need a subscription to Sky Sports. You can purchase this directly from the Sky Sports website. 3. Sky Go app. This is the app through which you'll be able to stream Sky Sports on your FireStick. However, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, the Sky Go app is not available in the Amazon App Store for FireStick. Therefore, you'll need to sideload it, which we'll cover in the next section.
How do you sideload Sky Go app on your FireStick?
Sideloading refers to the process of installing an app on your device from sources other than the official App Store. Here's how to do it. 1. Enable unknown sources. Go to the FireStick home screen. Navigate to Settings, to My Fire TV, to Developer Options, and turn on Apps from Unknown Sources. This is a crucial step because it allows your FireStick to install applications that aren't from Amazon's App Store. 2. Install Downloader app. Back at the home screen, go to the search icon and type in Downloader. This is a free app that you can use to sideload apps onto your FireStick. Install it. 3. Download Sky Go APK. Open the Downloader app and enter the URL for the Sky Go APK file. You can usually find the URL by searching Sky Go APK in any search engine on your phone or computer. 4. Install Sky Go app. Once the download is complete, a prompt will appear asking if you want to install the app. Confirm the installation and wait for the process to complete. Please note that sideloading apps can carry risks, as you're bypassing the security protocols of the official App Store. Always use trusted and verified sources to download APK files.
How do you use the Sky Go app to watch Sky Sports?
Once you've successfully installed the Sky Go app, using it to watch Sky Sports is straightforward. 1. Open Sky Go app. Navigate to your FireStick home screen and open the Sky Go app. 2. Log in. Use your Sky Sports account credentials to log in to the Sky Go app. 3. Select Sky Sports. Within the app, find and select the Sky Sports channel or the specific sports event you want to watch. And there you have it, Sky Sports right on your FireStick. That wraps up our tutorial on how to watch Sky Sports on FireStick. We hope that this guide has been clear and helpful. Remember to ensure your FireStick device, Sky Sports subscription, and the Sky Go app are all set up correctly. Enjoy your favorite sports, and see you in our next video.